Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on the EvolvedJeepin channel. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Dan and this is my 2019 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. If you have not seen one of my videos in the past, basically what I do is I create videos where I install new parts on this Jeep to show you guys what those parts are, how to install them, and then I give you guys my overall thoughts and opinions of those parts once I've completed the installation and tested them out. Today's video should be a fairly short video because today we're going to be doing a simple maintenance task. The task that we're going to be doing today is replacing our stock windshield wipers. Yep, you heard me right. I still have the Mopar stock windshield wipers on my Jeep. And in fact, these are actually the original wipers that came with the Jeep when I purchased it brand new in 2019. I have to say, with this Jeep having over 50,000 miles on it, these wipers have definitely lasted quite a bit and they actually kind of still work. They do push water around, but they're starting to not perform that great. They're not really getting all of the water and they're definitely making a noise during use. So because my wiper blades need to be replaced, what I thought about doing was actually replacing my entire wiper assembly with the Mopar Performance wipers. The Mopar Performance wipers are basically a new technology where it relocates the spray nozzles for the windshield wiper fluid into the actual wiper blades. So when the wiper blades are moving, they can actually spit out the liquid directly onto the windshield. Unfortunately, what I've read online and saw in other videos is that those wipers aren't that great. They don't necessarily give you that much better performance. It is a cool, interesting innovation, but they're maybe not worth it. So instead of installing those performance wipers, I decided that I'm just going to replace the wiper blades themselves. The wiper blades that we chose to use today are the highly rated Rain-X Latitude Wiper blades. From what I've read online and looked at all the top charts out there, these are one of the best. There's some other brands like Bosch, but for myself, I know the Rain-X brand, so I figured I'd stick with what I know. For the Jeep JL, you need two 16-inch wiper blades, and you can purchase these for about $18 on Amazon. If you're lucky, you can actually find them on sale. I scored these at a great deal, ended up only paying like 10 bucks each, but usually they go for about $18. So at this point, we can go ahead and install these new wiper blades. The first step is to clean the windshield. The next step is to remove the old wiper blades. And this can be done by simply going in here, pressing this trigger, and then sliding off the wiper blade. Once the wiper blade's off, we can then go ahead and install these new ones. What you need to do is you actually need to pop open this cover at the end, and then you can slide it on. Once we have them slid on and clicked in place, we can then remove the yellow guard on the end of the wiper blades. And then once we've got both of them installed, we're going to run them through a cycle for about 2 to 3 minutes. And this cycle is to apply the Rain-X repellent technology to the windshield. Because it's dry out, we're actually going to have to apply water during the process, but that can easily be done with just a simple spray bottle or a hose. And then once we're done that, it's pretty much over. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do that process, and then we'll come back to wrap this video up. As you can see behind me, the wipers are installed and they are functioning just perfectly. I have to say that the installation was really easy to do. If you are in need of new wipers, I highly recommend that you do not pay a dealer to do this. Just easily go on Amazon, order two 16-inch Rain-X wipers, and then when they show up, you can easily put them on in less than 5 minutes. You can do it in your driveway, your garage, the side of the road. Honestly, you can do it anywhere. For myself, I have to say the performance of these wipers is a lot better than my worn out Mopar ones. My Mopar ones would chatter and squeal in the rain, but you can see behind me, these ones don't make a single noise and that windshield is dry. So it just shows you that they're nice and quiet, and I'm sure like all Rain-X products, they're gonna perform just great in nice heavy rain. They're gonna push the water away and give me the visibility I need. Obviously, I'm not gonna be able to really give you guys my feedback of how they do in the rain because it's not raining right now, but I think they're gonna perform just as good as any Rain-X products I've had before. So at this point, guys, we're gonna wrap this up. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to post them below and I'll do the best to answer them. As usual, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And at this time, we'll see you guys on the next video.